lebitsong la brightness ba future o ka se tjho. Importance of bright background. For I have pink wall in the house, therefore I had to decorate. Yes. So you have to have a laptop of about 8 RAM and above. So I use Ryzen 5. Yes, which is equivalent to iCore 5. And you have to have noise cancelling headset. Don't worry about the mouse. It's not such a necessity. And you have to have webcam. No matter the brand, but it have to be 1080p. 1080p. No matter the brand of the product. Yeah. This is the webcam. Yeah. Then give yourself a real light for the brightness. Yes. Thank you so much. This is Teacher Justice.